So yo, what's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to say the conditional statements of Python. This is the part 2 of the last video. So the today's topic is the if elif else statement. The if elif else statement is used to check for more than one condition. If the condition for the if evaluates to false, it will check the condition under the next elif block. If the condition for the first elif block evaluates to false, it will check the condition for the next elif block, and so on. If all conditions evaluate to false, the statements are under the false part are executed. So we'll understand by an example. So let's go to the example. So I'm going to type here answer is equals to input. I will type here n, and I will type an input a number. So we have to input a number after the execution, guys. So here I put the caps. So after that we have to put after that we have to put the bracket close, and below that you have to write the num or the number is equals to float. This is same like the int. Int means integer, float means we'll write the float in the decimal value. So will be answer means this one is same to this. So below that we will write if means the if statement says that num is greater than 0. So we'll put a semicolon after that, and below that we will put print positive number. If you write the positive number, it will execute as it's a positive number. If you write a negative number, we will write in the elif block that it will execute a negative number or a 0. So below that we are going to write the elif statement. Elif num means number, then double is equals to and a 0 and a semicolon. Below that we are going to write print, means what it will going to be print after the execution. So we will write in brackets we'll write it says 0 and we'll close it, and below that we are going to write the else statement, which we had already learnt in the last videos of the last sessions. So sorry guys, it was print, and we will write it as negative number. So after this we have to close the bracket, and simple we have to execute it. So I'll put the run module. Okay. So it will come as input a number. So I will, for example, if I put 7, it will come, it's a positive number. So I will come back, and if I put a negative number, so if I put -7, it will come as a negative number. So this was the elif statement example. I hope you understood. So the next topic is the nested if statements. You can have one if statement inside another if statement is called the nesting. While nesting, proper indentation should be provided, otherwise it may give unexpected outputs. You can have multiple levels of nesting. However, it can get confusing, and therefore it must be avoided. Given below is the same program that was written using if elif else earlier. So now I'll be showing you an example by this program. So I will write it below, guys. For no confusions, I will write the dashes here for no confusions. So I will write the example of the nested if statements. So below that I will write num, sorry guys, what is happening to me, num is equals to float. I explained what is float. It's same like the integer of, we'll write it in the decimal value. It will execute in also a decimal and in integer value. So I will put enter a number. So then I will put the semicolon and close the brackets, and below that I will put the if statement. What is the if statement? Says num is greater or is equals to 0. See guys, this is very important. So the semicolon is very important after the any statements. Okay, it's very important, otherwise it will not execute. So we'll write print 0. So below that we will going to be write the else statement, which says else. Below that we are going to write positive number. So below that we are going to write again a else statement, which is going to be executed as, below that we'll write print a negative number. If you write a negative number, it will be printed as negative number. If you write a positive number, it will be printed as positive number. If you write a 0, it will be printed as 0, which the if statement states. So we will write here a negative number, which will print as the else statements. So it will print as, if you write a negative number, the else statement will be executed and it will be printed as a negative number. So we will execute and see it, guys. Sorry guys, it was never closed. So we have to write another bracket. If you have started it here, we have to end it another bracket over here. I'm really sorry guys for this mistake. One minute guys. I think so it should be here. What is this happening, guys? I have written it very correctly. So invalid syntax. So 1 minute guys, I'm going to check it's whether right or wrong. Sorry for this delay guys. It's all correct, I think so. So I'm gonna delete this. So now it's going to execute, guys. So this is the first program we have written, and the next program which will be there. So if I write any number as 6, it will come 6. So this much for today, guys. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.